Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video, and if you guys haven't noticed, I haven't uploaded for like 6 whole months. That's because I'm really lazy. But I'm literally traveling in a few hours to my favorite place in the whole world, and I'm so excited to go there. And obviously you guys don't know which is my favorite place in the world because I've never said it, so I'm just gonna wait till you guys see. Or wait, should I just tell you guys? Yeah, I'm going to Taj Bagwan in Pinch, and it's literally my favorite hotel ever, in my favorite place ever. And if you guys are like, why do you love it so much? I'm literally the biggest nature lover you guys can ever see. I love nature, I love wildlife, I love animals. And out of all the forests I've been to, out of every place, this is literally one of the best forests I've ever been to in my whole life. And even apart from the forest, the Hotel Taj Bagwan, is literally one of my favorite hotels ever. And I've been there like twice already, and it's literally one of my favorite places ever. And I haven't been there for 4 years, so I'm really excited to go there. But I can't wait to show you guys my trip. And I've packed all my luggage, everything's ready, and I'm leaving in a few hours. And my flight is literally to Nagpur airport, and then we have like a drive to Hotel Taj Bagwan in Pench, and then I have my first afternoon safari today. So I'm really excited. I've got an amazing day ahead, and I can't wait to see what animals I find in the forest. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated and show you guys everything, and I hope you guys like this video. So we just reached from Nagpur airport, and this is literally my favorite place in the world. And if you guys don't know where I am, I'm literally in Hotel Bagwan, which is like in Pench, and it's literally one of my favorite hotels ever. I've come here like twice before when I was like 11 and 16, but I'm really excited to come here right now because I'm literally 20 now. So I have my first safari today in the afternoon, and then I have like other safaris later, so I'm really excited for that. But I really hope I see tigers today, so just yeah. So guys, this is literally the way to the room, and this is the reason why I fell in love with this property, because if you guys know, then I literally love nature, and this road is literally so amazing. Like the second you reach here, it's so different from like the hustle and bustle of city life like back in Mumbai. This place is literally so peaceful and calm. And just look at the walkway to your villa, like it's literally so peaceful, and I love it. And literally all the memories of like Pench are coming back, because like I remember this place so well because I've done so many safaris in this forest, and like I've stayed at this lodge like twice already, so I'm really excited. So you guys, my food just arrived, and I'm just eating my fries right now, and after I eat the fries, I'm gonna eat the butter paneer. And as soon as I'm done eating, I'm really excited because it's my first safari in Pench today after 4 years. Since 4 years I haven't like come to Pench, and that's why I'm really excited for the safari. And as you guys know, I literally love wildlife, so I'm hoping that I see leopards. Like everyone just comes here to see the tiger, but I'm literally obsessed with leopards. They're my favorite animals in the world, like one of my favorite animals. I love a lot of animals, but I don't know, like I really want to see the leopard much more than the tiger. But yeah, I'm really excited to go for the safari, and it's literally in half an hour, so I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll show you guys what animals I see. And also, you guys literally look at my view. Like I'm sitting in my machan eating fries, and this is my fucking view. Like this is gorgeous. It's like a stream passing by, and we had to like change rooms because like the first room wasn't like close enough to the other villa where my family is staying. So I really like this villa much more because we can see the stream, and like we can see like jackals. Like we saw a few jackals literally the moment we entered. Like an hour back we saw jackals over here, and I'm really excited to see what other animals we see in the safari, because if there's a jackal literally outside our villa, then I can't wait to see what's in the forest. And I've been here twice before, but I'm really excited for this time because I'm coming in 2020, and I need a break from like city life. I need nature, so I'm really excited to see animals in safari, and I'll keep you guys updated. We're on our way to the jeep. We're a little late, and we're going for the afternoon safari, so wish me luck. Also, you guys, I look so cute in this beanie. Like I literally love the way I look with this beanie. Is it this? So that's the Indian gore, and they're also known as the Indian bison, and they're like really cool animals. As you can see, they're like really huge. And this one was trying to cross the road, this Indian gore, so we had to wait for it, obviously. And yeah, it's a pretty cool animal, and it's a herbivore. So that's a male spotted deer, you guys, and you can tell it's a male because it has antlers, and the female spotted deer don't have antlers. And this is an Indian gore, as you can see again. And this park really has a lot of herbivores, like everywhere. And this is again another male spotted deer. And this park literally has so many herbivores, you guys can't even imagine. And this was the golden jackal that was walking by our jeep, and it looks so like alone, you guys. And then we saw another jackal running behind it, and these two jackals were really cool, and we saw so many jackals. So that's a female spotted deer, and you can tell that it's a female because it doesn't have antlers, since only the male spotted deer have antlers. And these were a bunch of langurs that we saw sitting on a few rocks. And these two langurs that are sitting on a rock, one of the langurs is actually trying to remove the ticks or the lice, I don't know what they're called, from the other monkey's fur, which was like a pretty cool thing to see because I've never seen that before in langurs. And also, you guys, this park has so many langurs and spotted deer everywhere. They're like the most common animals, I feel, from what I saw on the safaris. Like the langurs were literally almost everywhere. So those are wild boars, and there are again a lot of wild boars in Pange. And this is a peacock. Yeah, I think they're two peacocks, they're not peahens, since they have the colorful feathers. You guys, we just came back from the first safari and it was really fun. We didn't see any tigers or leopards. I know that's like weird that we didn't see any, but we saw a lot of other animals. We saw jackals, we saw like a lot of herbivores, and I'm really excited for tomorrow's safari because today's wasn't that fun. I'm gonna be honest. Like I loved it because I was in wildlife and nature after so long. Like after literally 4 years, I came to Painch and I love the forest. The forest is literally one of the best forests ever. You know. And when I'm saying we didn't see wildlife, no, we did. We saw a lot of wildlife. Like we saw Indian gore, we saw spotted deer, like herds of them. We saw like sambar deer, we saw nilgai, we saw like we literally saw so many types of birds and like so many wild boar, and we saw jackals, like so many, and we saw a lot of animals, but we didn't see my favorite tigers and leopards or sloth bears or wolves, you know, so or foxes or hyenas, but we saw jackals or yeah. And we didn't even see wild dogs, but I'm really excited for tomorrow's safari. And today's safari was a lot of fun. And you know, even more than the safari, the forest, the landscape, the animals, the hotel, the lodge is just so beautiful. And I'm so happy that I'm back here. And Taj Bagwan is literally my favorite, one of my favorite hotels ever. Like this hotel is literally my favorite because every time I come to Pinch, I only come to Taj Bagwan. It's literally my favorite hotel in Page. Like I haven't been to any other hotel when I come to Page. And if you guys like this video, then hit the like button below, comment down below what videos you guys want me to make in the future, whether it's like makeup videos, skincare videos or whatever. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos because I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos. And I hope you guys like this video, and watch out for the part 2, part 3, part 4. I'm going to upload like a lot of videos about Painch and then my travel to Tadoba because I love wildlife and I love nature, so might as well, you know, vlog it and show you guys my safaris and what all I'm doing, you know, in the forest, like my hotels and like the safaris, and might as well vlog and show you guys everything, you know. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.